WaveDrom is a tool that draws timing diagrams from a simple textual description written in JSON format. DVT IDE can generate these descriptions automatically from waveform simulation data, saving you the effort of writing them by hand. Simply click the Export as WaveDrom button from the Viewer's toolbar. The exported WaveDrom snippet is saved to a file, capturing the signals in the Viewer's panel across the currently visible time interval. Simply open the exported file to preview the timing diagram in the Inspect view. Notice how it gets updated on the fly while editing the JSON description. This way, you can easily fine-tune the diagram and eventually save it as an image. To change the exported time span, you can either zoom or place the primary and secondary cursors in the Waveform Viewer using left and right mouse clicks before generating the diagram. You can also generate a WaveDrom diagram for all ports of a module without needing to add them to the current Waveform Viewer. In an editor, right-click on the module declaration or one of its instances, and from the context menu select Waveform Viewer, Create WaveDrom Diagram. The diagram gets inserted just above the current line. Hover to see the preview in a tooltip. For more control over where the WaveDrom description is inserted, use the Code Factory. Start by setting a design scope definition as Code Factory input. Then, right-click in the target editor. Notice the two WaveDrom entries under Code Factory. One creates a WaveDrom diagram stub with all signals, while the other creates the WaveDrom diagram for all module ports, pulling in data from the currently open waveform.